guys, and welcome to today's flip through. So today I'm going to be flipping through the new Recipe sticker book and its coordinating accessory pack. And I normally don't buy accessory packs, and there was just something about this accessory pack that just made me sit and say, you know what? I think I can use this. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the accessory pack first. And the accessory packs come with a little list. And in this one, it came with a shopping list, which I thought was absolutely cute and adorable. And I can actually use this for when I'm making my grocery list. And since I am a budgeter, this will help me out a lot. So I am definitely excited to start using those. And I love the color of them. There's these cute little jotted down stickies. So again, if I want to do like a quick list and a reminder, if I'm going to be shopping later on that week, I can write it down there. There's more, again, of these little sticky notes. Here's a favorite banner sticky note and another sticky note. And I just love them. I love the simplicity of the color scheme in this book. So I'm going to set that over there. All right. And then on the right side of your accessory books, we have it's not as extensive as like a full sticker book, but when I was going through this one, it actually had a decent amount of stickers off to the side of it, and it has that lovely rose gold foiled sticker design coloring, that I am just like absolutely in love with this color foil. And they have it incorporated into their stickers. And I love it. And they're just so gorgeous. Like I said, like the coloring is just, it's simple. And I love these little corner tabs. Happiness is homemade. You are right about that. And they are just, if you love food, this book is for you. You can figure out how to put these into any spread, or even if you're keeping like a little recipe journal, these would be perfect. And here's more of your little shopping list. I love them with those little checkers. And they have them in the shimmy gold too. This is perfect. See, here we got more of these little banners. There's these ones would be, which it may be a little hard to see because of the horizontal lines, but they would be shaped like this guy down here. And oh my god, you can never have too many avocado stickers. And there's strawberries. And of course the little eggs. They are just too cute. And then this is the one that got me, because I was not expecting to see this in the recipe books. But I don't know if you're like me, but we tend to forget to clean these major appliances until it's too late. And it's like a super mess. So I love the fact that they had these here, because now I can incorporate these into at least like a monthly layout, and now they're not going to get so bad. So I love it. I love that they decided to throw that in there. And of course, your favorite kitchen appliances. They're so cute, and they're like in these cute little doodles with some watercolor in the background. And again, you have your stoves and fridges. And the whisk, because you just gotta beat it. They are so cute and so original. And they have those little bullet bars that I absolutely love. I love making lists with these. And they are just in fantastic colors. Super bright and cheerful. And of course you have your divider tabs, which I love. And these would be perfect for if you're jotting down recipes and you're listing off the steps. So I absolutely loved how they have these in their color coordinating. And again, they have them in that rose gold foil, which is absolutely gorgeous. And they have little label bars. And your dates. And that, guys, is what is included in your foodie or recipe accessory sticker book. And I'm just going to go ahead and slide this back in there. Just for now. Okay. So, now that's going to bring us to the actual recipe value pack stickers. And I didn't flip through this in the store. I seriously just saw this and saw how much I like this. And like I said, I don't really buy these. And I like this one so much that I was like, you know what? I'm giving it a go. And I saw that they had the matching book. And to me, oh my god, they're so cute. Look at the little mason jars, guys. Look at this. Eat cake, family favorite, life is sweet. Those are cute. Those are adorable. A party without cake is just a meeting. Yes, it is. Oh, these are so... I mean, the colors are just super bright and cheerful. I love it. And it definitely does go very well with the accessory pack that I showed you earlier. And there's more of those grocery lists and what's for lunches. There's more groceries and your dinners. Oh, and there's more of those long list bars. So those are super cute. And there's, you've got more just in different colors. Life is short, lickable. Yes. Oh, these are perfect for your recipe layout. So if you have gluten-free recipes, sugar-free, dairy-free, and vegetarian. And again, they're made to look like you got like a handwritten with a mild liner going through. There's low carb, vegan, slow cooker, and one pot meal. And I absolutely love the hand lettering that is in this book. I don't believe I've ever seen this in another book. I love it. Here we go. Family favorite, kid friendly, and meal prep. Excuse me. Meal prep. Going through the sticker book is making me hungry. Okay, so we have a weekly menu list. This is perfect for those busy weeks. There you go. There's more. Eat dessert first. You are right. Feed me food and tell me I'm pretty. Oh, guys, this is just adorable. Go on, eat the cake. Yes, I've seen far too many people pass up on cake. That cake's not gonna hurt you. You just eat that cake. Alright, there's meal planning stickers. Change of plans. So this is whenever you did have a meal going on and something happened. This happens to me a lot. There's takeout and celebrate. Oh, there's more of those little jars, guys. Oh, look at them. They are just super cute. Oh, and they have little oven middies. And of course, look at the little milks. Look how cute those are. You got little measuring pitchers and your spoons. Oh, this would definitely pair well, like super well with a recipe book. I might actually need to start a recipe book. Just by looking at these. These are cute. Oh, and of course you have your avocados your magical tomatoes and your eggs. And there's your veggies. Oh, and look, there's little blueberries and strawberries. There are bananas, your spinaches, peppers, and radishes. All super cute. I love the doodles in these books. They're so simple. Oh, and there's your recipe reviews I loved and I would change. There's your fave recipe. There's more label bars in your meal prep. And these ones are in more of a rainbow color, assorted colors. Oh, and here's more of these bullet bars. Oh my God. They actually have those rose gold bullet bars. Look how gorgeous those eyes. Those are so gorgeous. And let's see here. We have dinner with friends, new recipes, dinner parties, family favorites. Oh, and more little icon stickers. The little dots. I am in love with these little dots and triangles. Definitely these. I love the little colorful banners. And oh my God, guys, look at this. They have those in the rose gold shimmy too. So just look at that. An absolutely, like, super gorgeous book. I'm not really someone who cooks, and I can definitely see how I can use this book in my layouts. And again, it's like actually making me want to go out and attempt cooking. So if you are a huge recipe fanatic, this book is for you. I highly recommend it. And this accessory pack was actually one of the betters that I have seen. So these are super cute. I'm so glad to add them to my collection. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching and sticking in there with me. If you like what you saw, please remember to like and subscribe if you would like to see more. And again, I just want to say thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful rest of your day.